Being able to determine the cost to prepare a recipe is essential to any food service operation. One of the easiest methods to cost a recipe is to begin with a recipe costing form similar to this. This form uses the recipe quantity of ingredients, also called the edible portion or EP, and the edible portion unit cost of each ingredient. The EP unit cost is the price that is paid for a specific quantity. For example, we have a recipe that requires potatoes. We wouldn't list the unit cost of potatoes as 89 cents, but rather as 89 cents per pound. To determine the cost of the potatoes in a particular recipe, the quantity of potatoes is multiplied by its unit cost. Suppose that a recipe calls for 5 pounds of potatoes and that the unit cost is 89 cents per pound. To determine the cost of potatoes in this recipe, we just multiply 5 times 0.89. So 5 times 0.89 equals 4.45 or $4.45. One important thing to note is that our recipe quantities and our unit costs must have the same units. Suppose that this recipe also calls for 12 ounces of onion and that our unit cost of onion is 69 cents per pound. Notice that the ingredient amount is in ounces while the EP unit cost is in pounds. To find the total cost of the ingredient, we must first convert the quantity of onions so that the units of measurements match. Knowing that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, we can divide 12 by 16 to get 0.75 pounds of onion. Now we can multiply this quantity of onions by the EP unit cost. So 0.75 pounds times 69 cents equals 0.5175. Since we're dealing with currency, we round all final costs to the nearest penny, so this becomes 52 cents. To complete our recipe cost, we add together all of the individual ingredient costs. So 4.45 plus 0.52 equals 4.97. Thus we know the total cost of our ingredients is $4.97.